Just an FYI, I'm recording it.
In 20. Stand by. 15. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. You guys should be rolling. Okay, so as I mentioned, I'm just going to watch Mike until we get all together. So far I can see 3, 4, 5. Where are we missing? What? Okay, I've got Winston. I only see 5. We're missing 2 riders. Here. What's going on?
Alright, Robson pulling through.
Okay. So here we're going to start up then. So Mike is on the front. Please confirm that you're here. Next rider should be Matt. I don't believe Matt is here. Brian, second wheel.
5 seconds, Brian.
Yes. Brian, pull it.
Who's supposed to be on Brian's wheel?
Not too hard yet, Brian. Not too hard yet, Brian. Nice and steady. There might only be 5 of you though. Klaus and Steven are up next. Klaus, start moving into full. Even if there's no Klaus, that's you next. Okay, so we are missing Matt and Klaus. We are down to 5. Going back to the top of the pull order, Winston and Mike, get ready in second and third wheel. Call yourself off, Steve.
Okay, I'm rolling through for Steve.
Okay, that should be Winston.
Okay, moving on.
Mike is ready on second wheel. After Mike, it is Brian, Steve, Rolly. Okay, I heard Winston's easing up, Mike's moving in, Brian, second wheel.
Five seconds.
Brian, get ready to move in. Sorry, Mike.
It's alright.
Okay. Steve and Wooly, second and third wheel. The internet connection is totally screwed. I've been bounced back to my own view. Brian is pulling right now. Should be Steve and Wooly. I cannot see you guys. Start self-calling your phone, please.
Okay. Steve, are you going to take pulls top of the hill?
Attack at the moment.
I'll take the pull top. That's Wooly. Everybody here?
So Winston and Mike will be up next. There's nothing I can do, guys. I can't see you.
Okay.
Okay, I'm pulling up. Winston?
You got again.
Alright, he's up Winston.
Okay, you should be pulling your full time. Just give 5 seconds notice, please.
Okay, we're back. It's off the back. 11 seconds. 11 minutes.
Okay, I'm up. We here? Come on, Steve.
I want you to hold on to that group, please.
You're 2 seconds off the back. Are you coming?
Oh, no, you guys are 4 or 5.
I could drop back, it's very early.
We gotta have 4. Just roll. Sorry, Steve. Alright, I'll pull till 7. Alright, 5 seconds.
Running.
Winston's up next.
No, Winston's in front of me.
Run.
Come on, Winston.
Run easy.
Yeah, we're just about back together, so let's go soft into this bottom of the hill. Okay.
I'm stopping, guys. Run.
Yeah, I mean, there's only 4 of us. We're not going to have a great time. No sense killing yourself on the front. Let's do minute pulls at threshold. I'll go at 9. Winston, stay behind me.
Okay, drop it off.
Brian. That's a little threshold.
It's alright, it'll get easy over the top of this hill.
We're at 190.
It'll get easy over the top of the hill. Winston, go from 10 to 11. Just do like 4 to 4.5. Okay, Winston's on the front. You should be able to recover in the wheels.
Yeah.
Please don't let Winston go.
Not that it helps you guys, but I can see you again.
Cool. All right, Brian's going from 11 to 12. Just do what you can do, Brian. Winston, you're going too hard.
Slow down the gap between 2 and 3.
You're just going to drop the other two guys.
Okay, Brian's coming through. I want Brian to go.
Hold the wheels and find a steady pace.
I can do more.
That's fine, man. That's fine. There's only 4 of us. We're a Frappe team that's not going to win. Let's just finish together.
Cannot blow anybody up anymore. Nice and steady, Wooly.
Yep. Okay. Let's drop down.
All right, I'm going till 13.
Mike's moved in. Ryan, hold the wheel.
I don't know if you can hear me, Winston, but I was going till 13. You can go.
Okay, here comes a little climb.
Okay, Winston's up. Everybody stand up on this hill.
Oh God.
Stay together.
Come on, Brian.
He's up just the knees. Just feather it. Still have 2 left to go.
Okay, I'll take down 15.
Jeez. We're at 190.
At a heart rate?
Yeah.
Easy.
All right, Brian, skip a turn.
Yeah. Okay.
I'll go at 15. Winston, go at 16. All right, I'm putting power down. Winston, go at 16.
Sorry, guys.
It's all right, man. You're doing the best you can. Team of 4 is tough.
Steve, if you can still hear me, just keep a steady pace.
Yeah, thank you.
Right.
You just get us training, right? It's a long way back to this. Well, Mike, nice and steady.
Everybody recovering behind me okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
You pulling through, Winston?
All right, easy, Winston. No surge.
Good job, you guys.
Go ahead, Mike.
There we go. I got him. Just stay on my wheel. I'm coasting. Coast for a second, Brian.
Okay, come through, Winston.
Brian,
Okay, not full.
watch Brian. He's losing the 5-meter draft.
Yeah. He's back.
Good job, Brian. Brian's heart rate is at 187, you guys.
Well, hopefully Brian can just sit in.
One second.
All right, I'm going to 18. I'll go till 20 minutes.
Brian, remember what you told me last night? You want to be asked for Mike.
Just sit in, Brian.
That's it. Hold on, roll his wheel. heart rate is not coming down, Mike.
I'm okay.
He's a terrible drafter.
Did you take the next hole here, Winston?
All right, Winston's on.
Only will pull next.
Yeah.
Come on, Brian. I'm in second wheel. Your power needs to be lower than mine.
Hey, everyone.
Bully's coming through.
There you go, Brian. Stick to my wheel like that. Tell me when I'm pulling again. I'm sorry, I don't know.
Mid-ticket 22.
Okay. Alright, I'll go till 24. Easy on the hill.
Easy on this climb.
Yeah.
I'm done, guys.
No, you're not done. We need 4.
Okay, look at Mike. Easy.
Are you pulling right now or am I pulling?
I think I'm supposed to, but I'm gonna wait for Brian.
Okay.
Good job, Winston.
Okay.
Oh, jeez. Oh, my God.
Ryan, you got to just keep pedaling. You keep on surging, which is making it really hard for you.
Yeah.
That's with Brian.
Come on, Brian.
Wooly, great job. Nice and steady up at the front.
Pull off at 24.
Winston, can you do a 30-second pull?
Winston can pull as long as you need. I'll pull for 5 minutes next time.
Okay, start to fall back.
Go on, Brian. You're still there. Winston, you've got a small little climb. You've got to make sure Brian stays on.
Come on, Brian, get on my wheel. There we go.
Excellent.
Now chill out, Winston. Brian can only do... What do you want your power to be, Winston? Or I'm sorry, Brian.
No, you only do 230 right now.
All right. Right there, Winston. That's good. Just do it as long as you want. Come on, Brian.
Your heart rate is coming down, Brian. You're getting your recovery in. Just hold those wheels.
Well,
Marks the 5 meter gap, Brian.
I'm falling back to get you, Brian.
I gotta split the gap here to Winston.
Okay, here comes Brian. He's going to shoot by us.
Steady on the pedals, Brian. You need to go through.
Stay on my wheel, Brian. Go nice and slow back up. Right, front two. Pick it up a bit. A little bit. Good one, Brian.
Nice job, you guys. I was looking backwards. I didn't see that lone rider.
Easy, Mike. Or, sorry. Okay, you're good.
Try to coast, Brian.
Looking much better, you guys.
You rolling through, Mike?
Yeah, I'll pull for a while.
Okay, Winston, you watch Brian. I'm P2.
So Mike will listen, and then Brian, you stay on Winston's wheel.
I think I'm gonna make it.
You are going to make it.
You're either going to make it with us or by yourself. I don't care. You're going to pedal to the finish line.
You gonna pull into the hill, Mike?
Sure.
Mike's got this for the next little while. You guys look great, Brian. You're doing great. Holding on to that Winston wheel.
I'll pull till 32.
Steady on the climb. Don't try and pass the team. If you get close to them, do not try and pass them on the hill.
Yeah, I'm going to go chill up the hill. I don't want Brian to have to chase.
Yeah. Yeah, Brian's tight.
Excellent job, Brian.
Okay, that's it for me.
Okay, Winston's rolling through P2.
Be sure to stay on my wheel, Brian. Come on, buddy. So close.
You got this, Brian.
Hold through. Just let me know, Winston.
Yeah, I haven't heard Winston this whole thing, so you might want to tell him versus ask. Haha.
At 490.
Stay with him, Brian.
I got it, Brian. Just stay on my wheel. Don't worry about anybody but me.
Breathe nice and steady, by the way. Just keep going, buddy. Don't chase those rabbits just yet. Brian, stay on the wheel.
Ease up on the front a bit. Come on, Brian, get on my wheel, buddy. There you go.
Use this descent for yourself, Brian. Stay together. Don't let this team split you guys apart anymore. One lap.
More K. 12 more K. Yeah, we'll probably get here.
Come on, Brian. That's it, Brian.
Yeah, you here.
All right, I'll pull for a bit.
That's it, Brian.
Holy, we're in a line.
Yes, you guys have been doing really well.
Okay, somebody else can go.
Brian, stay in there. That's it.
More seconds.
Nice job, Brian. Use Wayne as a slingshot.
Oh my god.
You lost one, right?
Get back on the wheel, Brian.
No, that's me that's off the back.
Like 2 seconds off.
I'll get back on, don't worry.
Alright.
Nice job, Brian.
Not too bad.
Let's move 10 kilometers, Brian.
Easy there, wins.
Just feather it down, touch.
Okay, we're in.
guys.
Sure thing, Brian. Good job, man.
Doing good. Watch this little climb out of the tunnel.
Little gap there, Winston. Okay, we're together.
Settle in again. Great job, Brian.
Right up on the hill.
That wheel again.
Okay, awesome 5.
Winston, if you're pulling, nice and steady. No surge. Brian, close that gap. Winston, feather it just a touch. Winston and Woolley, let Mike and Brian close the gap.
Yep, got it.
That's it. Good job, everybody. They're closing the gap. They still need another second or two. We're back together.
Just keep pedaling, Brian.
Let's get rolling back through.
I love that there's 2 guys passing us.
Alright, Brian and I are 3 meters out.
I see ya.
Keep holding that wheel, Brian.
Good job, Brian. Tight.
Just checking in on you this morning. You're doing good as well. Five kilometers, Brian. Winston's pulling for a bit. You guys have your last log hill to go. Brian, hold the wheel up this hill. It's the last time you have to do it. That's it, Brian. Push through.
Good job, Brian. Almost there.
showing less than 2 miles.
Yeah, we got 2.9K to go.
That's it, Brian. Nice and steady now. You got this, buddy. Good job, Willie. So close now. One kilometer, Brian. Amazing stuff. This is not even a hill, and then you get a descent into the finish line.
Brian's here.
Okay, have fun to the finish now. Look at those red numbers, Brian. What the hell?
He was sandbagging us the whole time.
Brian, you want to go for another lap? Brian, you want to go for another lap?
Oh, Jesus.
Hey,
Oh.
Brian.
Thanks,
You
John.
guys did amazing. Mike, I can't thank you guys enough. And again, my apologies I wasn't there for this. Holy smokes.
Yeah, what happened to the rest of the team?
I don't even know what happened to Klaus. Steve is on his way. He's still going to cheer Steve into the finish line.
Oh, God.
Oh, well, good mental toughness, Brian.
Yeah.
Oh, 100%.
Oh, that was like high 180s the whole way.
You hardly ever got below 187.
Oh, jeez.
Let's see here. Brian's average heart rate was 177, and he averaged 3.2 watts a kilogram.
Yeah, sorry.
It's all right, man. You did the best you could. If you were sandbagging us, then I'll be pissed, but I can't ask any more than what you did. Steve, good job, man. It sucks to get dropped, but it happens. Yeah, Winston, we can hear you inside your barrel. I don't know what you're saying, but...
Winston was asking Brian if he warmed up.
Apparently not enough. I might be tired from Tuesday though.
Did you ride yesterday?
No.
Yeah, you should be fine. Maybe you're getting sick.
Maybe. This is way below my power.
But I certainly hope I can get you guys back in on Wattage next week. I promise I'll be back in Prince George, so I will be on a secure server.
Yeah, if you need somebody, just send me a note.
Mike, I don't even know how to begin to thank you. I mean,
Yeah, man.
what I saw as a spectator, I'm doing a race on Saturday. You guys, like what you guys did tonight, that's absolutely amazing. You guys moved up and passed the team. You guys finished with only 2 teams in front of you, and don't forget you had an 8-minute delay. Absolutely impressive.
Yeah, thanks, Mike.
Yeah, nice job, everybody. Like I said, just let me know if you need me. I don't sign up for these normally, but I'm happy to help.
I certainly do appreciate it, Mike.
Yeah.
Going back to slacking.
All right, take care, everybody.